Welcome to a new tutorial. Today I show you how to bring an PNG image with transparent background on another object, like in this example today, a logo on a t-shirt. For this tutorial we can hide the armature on our character. Just go there and then close the eye from the armature, and then we have our focus only on the character, only on the mesh. And then we go to edit mode to select all the faces where we want to place the logo on the t-shirt. And then we add a new material on it. Name it logo and click on assign. Then we go to UV editing. And the left window we can change it into shader editor. And with drag and drop we can move our image from our folder with the logo inside of the shader editor to create directly a new node. And then we add a mix RGB node. And we connect the color output from the image texture with color 2. And then we need a color ramp. Here we connect the color output with color 1 in the RGB mix. And the alpha we connect it here. The RGB mix we connect color output with base color from the Principite shader. And we check on clamp. And back to UV editor, we select our PNG file. And then on face select, with the right mouse we click on UV unwrap faces and unwrap. Back to UV editing. Now we have unwrapped this part here. And then rotate and edit all the polygons till it looks good. And now we have to fill the transparent part of this PNG image with color. We go back to the shader editor. In the right window we open the UV editor. And then we select the character texture, the image texture from body, colors and t-shirt and everything like that. on color ramp, we go to the color here, and then we pick the red color from the t-shirt. And now the transparent part is filled with the color from the t-shirt. And this is the first guy who used my logo on a t-shirt. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.